Hey guys, and welcome to the Riding with Robbie channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of work to the MTB. Before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get more good stuff coming your way. So this is the bike. It is a Carrera Vulcan 27.5-inch wheel mountain bike. I actually bought this for the grand total of £80 because the front brake was stuck on. 10 minutes later, after it was fixed, for some reason, I just really liked it. So I want to take this bike from being a basic Halfords bike to being something a little bit better. And I progressively want to do this over time. So my first upgrade that I wanted to do to this bike was to change the tyres. So I'm not the biggest fan in the world of these Kenda tyres. They're not the most puncture-proof things. They are very heavy, and it's got a very standard old tread pattern. What I really like about these Vittoria AKAs is it's got this beautiful gravel kind of trail pattern, which I really like. So many more notches to grip with. I'm not the most confident mountain biker in the world, so I wanted something wider, something that looked like it would really get stuck in and give me that extra grip that I need. So, when you look at the old ones and the new ones, definitely you can see which one looks like it's going to grip better and looks much, much cooler and nicer. Look at that. That looks mint. Absolutely mint. Probably should clean the wheel really, shouldn't I? So there it is, looking a little bit fresher, a little bit better, and yes, even though it looks like I've cleaned it, it is still very dirty and needs a clean. So guys, make sure you subscribe and catch up soon.